So in the return button, so you can put those two lines, report and CS, okay. And then yeah, we will keep this one. Now next, we need to do something for the report. As I mentioned to you, we want to make one report in the txt file. So this txt file means the information about the customer order. For example, here we have the Americano RTC2 6000. Then it means we have the Americano. It means the order, the customer order is Americano, and the size is regular. The customer choose takeaway, and then the customer choose whipped cream, and the customer ordered 2 Americano, and the price, the total price is 6,000. Okay, that's the first customer. What about the second customer? Okay, the second customer order Americano, regular, takeaway, and means not whipped cream. So without whipped cream, and then we have 1, and the price is 3,000. The third customer order cappuccino, the size L, and takeaway, and then N, and then we have only 1, and then the price is 4,000. The fourth customer order Americano, the size is large, D. D means dine in. So the customer bring the coffee in the coffee shop. And then C means the whipped cream. And then we have 1 order, and then the price is 4,000. Okay. So let's create the new file, report.txt. Do you know how to create a new file? So you can copy this one. Okay. So those 4 lines you can just copy, and then make report.txt. So this is a bit tricky. Okay, so in the project folder. Okay, so in the project folder, not in the package. So in your project folder here, you can right click. Okay, after you do the right click, you can click new, and then you will be able to see a lot of possible file that you created. Okay. So you can just make untitled text file. Okay, so there will be one untitled text file, but wait, maybe okay, you can do this one. You can paste all those information in this untitled one, and then you can save. So when you save, you can put in the project folder, okay, and then put the name report. So you will see there is one report here. So we assume that there are 4 customers already visited the coffee shop, and those are the details about sales. Oh, there's line number 5. Maybe I need to delete this one. Okay, so we have only 4 customers. Okay. So after this one, I hope that you can follow me until now. Now we need to go back to the coffee shop to Java. So let's go back to the coffee shop to Java. So this is the panel in the coffee shop to Java. And we need to do something. The first is we need to make a static object. So this static object is related to this current frame, which is about the coffee shop. And we want to make another object, which is a report. Why we need to do this one? So the frame, we need to be able to give the object to another class. That's why we need to make this as a static. So you can just put this one in the upper part of the code. So in this case, I can put here. Okay. So I have the static coffee shop frame, and then I have a report. So this is the Java class name as a report, and this is the object name. And then I would like to update the statement. So this statement, you need to update it with this statement. Frame equals to new coffee shop. So here you still have the coffee shop. So just delete this one. Now the frame will turn to blue. So the blue color means it is a global variable. So you can make this object to other method. So it's not only in the main method, but you can put it into the coffee shop as well. So that's the intention to make this, in order to make the frame in different method, then we need to make it as a global components. Okay, after you have this one, after you change this, and after you update this statement, this is the last part. Okay, so when we click report, when you click report, let's do this one. Okay, so you can copy, so Control A, and then you can copy. Okay, and you can go to the design and then click on the report, because when you click report, you want to see the report. So double click, and then you will see this action perform. Paste here. So we will see all the codes after this. So this is the file not found exception. It means, okay, we know that it is about the import. So you need to import this one, then the error will disappear. Okay. So after you have this one, you can get back to the report of Java. Now the error is also disappeared. Okay. So there is no error now. Then yeah, you can, don't forget to save. Save means Control S. Okay, so don't forget to do the Control S. Most of the time, yeah, there are some problems when you don't save your files. Okay? So make sure that you save the file. Okay, now it fixed. We have the coffee shop, we have the order, and we have the report. I would like to see whether it is working or not. So I will go to the coffee shop.java and let's run. I have the menu Americano. I will buy regular, take away, and then let me buy one. Okay, I have 2,000. Oh, sorry. So I have the sales equals to 3,000, and then let's make a report. Oh, there's something wrong. Okay, this will happen. So you need to be very careful. Oh, they cannot find the report.txt. Maybe this is not. Shall I change this one? Maybe this one. Okay, report.txt. Okay, maybe. Okay, let me just return. Let me do one more time. Americano regular takeaway one order and then report. Okay, that's right. So you can see the total old sales is 17,000. Why 17,000? We get from this table 6,000 plus 3,000, 9 plus 8, so 17,000. So it was from the file report. We have 4 transaction, and then we have a new transaction. What is the new transaction? The new transaction is Americano. The size is regular. It is takeaway, no whipped cream, and the quantity is 1. So the cost or the sales is 3,000. And then after we have the 3,000, we will accumulate with 7,000. So the total new sales will be 20,000. And the new sales will be added here. So you will see this table. Okay, so if you return back, it will be returned to the coffee shop. So let's say if I want to have another menu. Okay, another customer come. So I can check, for example, okay, I have now Americano, and then I would like to choose large, and then I would like to choose whipped cream, and then order. Okay, now the price is 4,000. So I will do the report. Okay, now the total old sales. So before we have 20,000. After we have the new order plus 4,000, then the total new sales is 24,000. And then the data here is directly added. So we have a new menu, which is cappuccino, and the quantity is 1, and the sales is 4,000. And this is only a generated number, sales number from 0 until the current number, which is 5. Okay. If you close this one, yeah, you can see the program still run. Okay. So it will not close totally the program. If you want to stop the program, then you need to use this one, time minute. Okay, so there is a button here, time minute. So you need to close this one, then it is officially closed. Okay, I hope you don't have any errors, okay? But if you have any errors, let me know. So I would like to explain the report to Java. Okay, so in this case, we have the parameter order and we have the parameter coffee shop. So this order will go to the variable order in this Java file. What is this? This Java file is the report to Java. I have the coffee shop, and all the information of coffee shop will be in the this. This means the report to Java. Okay. And after I have the order and the CS, so I would like to know about the report. What is the report? The report here should be based on the the coffee shop dot report. What is coffee shop dot report? If you check this one, coffee shop dot report, yeah, it goes to here. So you need to be very precise whether you want to use the private or you want to use the public. If you use this public means I can access the report from other Java class. After I have this tree, I would like to put the text menu equal to the order get name. What is this? In the get name, we want to get the menu name. So after we have the menu name, we want to put it into the text menu. So the text menu is the text field. The text size is the size of the order. So if I order regular, then it will show regular. Option 1. So if it is a takeaway, then I would like to change the takeaway into string. And it will show T. If I choose the cream or whipped cream, then I will give the information whipped cream into the text option 2. About the quantity, so from the spinner, we can get how many quantity the customer buy. Then we want to put it into the text quantity. And then the text sales is from the get total. So we calculate the amount of the sales and then we put it into the text field txt sales. So this is about the send. And after we finish this one, after we finish setting all the information in the report.java, let's save into the file. So what is this one? So if you press Ctrl and then click to save the file, then you will go to the method save to file. Okay. Now, in the save to file, we have scanner. Okay, what is scanner? Yeah, if you learn from the first part, scanner is to get the input, or yeah, you can get also from a file. So in this case, I would like to get any information from the current file. So if you check this one, oh, now it has been added, not only 4 lines, but now it becomes 6 lines because we just added 2 more transactions. In this case, before we save into the file, let's open the file. After I open the file, I would like to make the variable I equal to 0, and yeah, I assume, okay, I assume this one, the order will not be more than 1000. That's my assumption. So yeah, maybe because you are just trying a very simple project, you can just assume like this one. But when you make a big project, of course, you cannot use this kind of assumption. So I would like to make just 1000 size from the order. And then let's make an object to deal with this one. And the object name is last order. So it is all the information about the order we got from the report. While input dot has next line, it means when I want to go to the input, this one, okay. So the input is from the report.txt. So we have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So the loop will go until 6 times. So the first part, is there any line? Oh yes. And we will do the loop section. So first we want to get the name. What is the meaning by name? We are using input dot next. You still remember? We want to get the first word. What is the first word? Oh, Americano. So this is the menu. Okay. So we use the input.next to get the first word. What about the second? Character size. We want to get from the input.next. The next is to get a string. But in the input section, there is no next character. So we need to go to the string, which is next, and then we need to determine what is the character at the position 0. So here we have R. So it means in the position 0, it is R. So we want to put the character R into the size. So if it is R, then the size will become R. If it is L, then the information will be L. Take away. The same with the previous one, we can do with the input.next.character at position index 0. Boolean T, so if the takeaway is big T, then T is true. If it is not big T, then it is false. Whipped cream, we can also do the same. If the character at position 0 is known, then we will check. If it is C, then it is with whipped cream. If it is not, then it is N. Okay, so C is with cream, N is without cream. T is takeaway, D is dining. And then we will check the quantity. So the quantity will be the next. What is the next? Okay, this is the quantity. Okay, we have 2. And then sales. The sales is also the next. And this is all the data are related to string. So we need to convert from string to the particular data type. And we know that the sales is integer, the quantity is also integer. And after I have all those things, I would like to place all of them into the array. This is the array last order. And then we have the index. So the index starts from 0. Then I would like to put the last order in the index 0 is related to the order, and the parameter is named size, T, C, and quantity. So it is the same with what we already see in the previous one about the coffee shop. And then I plus. Okay, now it becomes more complex. Okay, we will do until the line number 6. After we have all the information, we will check the sales. Okay, so the old sales will be the total sales. The total sales is this one. Every time we have the information about sales, we will add, or we will do the summation. And then the new sales will be the total sales, the current total sales plus the new order. So after we get the new order, we will put it into the total sales and it will be printed in the total new sales. So the remaining part is about how to write into the report.txt. Okay, so I will explain this one in the next class, okay, because I think I need more time to explain this one. Any questions, comment?